Welcome. In today's video. We will address the issue of incorrect timestamp in Webmail. If you are seeing the wrong time for your sent and received emails, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. First, log into your Webmail account. I am already logged in mine. Okay. Next, navigate to the top right corner and click on Settings. Now select Preferences and click on User Interface. Inside main options, we can define time zone, time format, and date format. For example, since I'm in India, I will select GMT plus 5:30 from the drop down menu. Here I can see all the time zones of world, and I will scroll down to 5:30 Asia Kolkata time. Once you have chosen your time zone, hit save. This should resolve the issue of incorrect timestamps in your email. Thank you.